Australia is facing a major skill shortage with more than 500,000 STEM jobs to fill by the end of the decade.
Major global companies like Amazon are relying on this workforce, which is why they've launched a new program to get high school students excited about a career in science and technology.
A hands-on look at Australia's STEM future.
I'm really hoping to do something maybe in medicine. I think research and development.
Audrey Savage and Neve DeMello getting a behind-the-scenes taste of life at Amazon. They're part of a program for students from years 3 to 12, encouraging them to consider a career in science, technology, engineering and mathematics.
Touring Amazon was really interesting and eye-opening to see. I think it's important to see how these implications for studying STEM works in the real world.
They can see the robots, they can come and they can code robots, they can meet a whole bunch of different people from across the business.
Research found that 2/3 of Australian students have no idea what jobs are available in the science, technology, engineering and mathematics sectors. The Australian government is targeting 650,000 jobs in the science and technology sector by 2030. But getting students excited is proving a challenge.
Teachers are telling us that they need more resources, that they need more support.
That's where programs like Amazon's come in, showing potential employees that careers in STEM aren't limited to maths geniuses or coding whizzes.
Careers in tech don't just look like someone sitting behind a computer. It's really lively and diverse and loud.
I found it really interesting and saw that there were lots of different industries that you can go into as well.
Brianna Jackson, 7 News.